Ever wondered how to soothe your sensitive skin without spending a fortune on overpriced products? Today, we're diving into the world of DIY face masks tailored for sensitive skin. Harnessing the power of natural ingredients, these cost-effective solutions are game changers. Stick around to learn how to make your own skin-soothing masks right at home with ingredients you probably already have. First off, we have the honey and aloe vera mask. Start by combining 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture to your skin, while aloe vera is renowned for its soothing properties, perfect for sensitive skin. Stir these 2 ingredients until they're well mixed. The result: a mask that isn't just natural, but one that deeply hydrates and soothes your sensitive skin. Now you have a natural mask that hydrates and soothes your sensitive skin. Next up, we have the oatmeal and yogurt mask. To create this soothing concoction, combine 2 tablespoons of oats with 1 tablespoon of yogurt. The oats work wonders as a gentle exfoliator, removing dead skin cells and revealing bright, refreshed skin underneath. On the other hand, yogurt with its lactic acid helps to refine pores and smooth the skin. Together, they create a mask that not only exfoliates, but also calms the skin. Give this video a like if you enjoy DIY ideas and subscribe or follow. Lastly, we have the cucumber and chamomile mask. This refreshing mask starts with half a cucumber, which you'll blend until smooth. Cucumbers are known for their cooling properties, making them a popular choice for soothing irritated or sunburned skin. Next, add a bag of chamomile tea to the mix. Chamomile is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory benefits, perfect for calming sensitive skin. Blend these 2 together, and you've got a soothing mask ready for application. And you have a DIY mask that cools and reduces inflammation for your sensitive skin. So there you have it, the sweet soothing of honey and aloe vera, the nourishing blend of oatmeal and yogurt, and the refreshing mix of cucumber and chamomile, all waiting to bring out the best in your skin. Beautiful skin doesn't have to come at a high price. Until next time, take care of your skin and yourself.